Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I use the steamer. So what I do with on the door panel, has a bunch of little paint and stuff on it. And this is hot steamer will take care of it. So what I do first is use my all-purpose cleaner. Where is it at? There it is. So I get all-purpose cleaner, I got my leather brush. So I'll just spray a little bit on there. It's a little windy, so I'll spray it on there. Wipe it down. This will make the job half the time fat quicker. Cut your time in half. It's a little foam here, 'cause I use more of the product to make a foam, because I like the foam when I'm doing the steam. Simple. Finger. Alright, got my steamer on. You gotta be careful when you use the steamer. You don't want to melt the plastic or anything, so it's really very hot. Alright, got that good. You can tell just from using the steamer. It cleans the interior real good. Okay, let me oh yeah, it's taking off that paint, that heat, man. I'm gonna fucking break my nail. You can just tell the paint right here. You can just tell from the heat, from the paint right there. I'll put a little bit of, sorry if it's windy, I'll put a little bit of that on there just so you come off, use a little heat. And watch takes that hot paint on there, it takes the paint right off. Makes it look good. Steamer does cut your time in half, like I said. So let me go ahead and there's a little more paint up here. This is an old work truck, so they have there's a lot of paint dots everywhere. I gotta cut my nails, boy, for hitting them so much. Bend that shit back, boy. Woo! Alright guys, I'm gonna finish up this I'm gonna finish up this interior. Got the seats to do, the passenger side seat, and I'll be done. But just from the, you can see, just from the steamer helps the job. Alright guys, that's today's video. So remember, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and more videos to come.